£3.5 billion was overcharged to UK taxpayers last year. Were you one of them people? Can you get your money back? Stick around and watch this video and you'll find out. So let's get straight into it. We're on Sky News. Nearly 6 million people have overpaid tax. Experts have blamed tax code issuing errors and complicated rules for the overpayment. More than 5.6 million people overpaid tax in the 2023-2024 financial year, new figures from HMRC reveal. In total, taxpayers have overpaid £3.5 billion. That's a huge amount of money in income tax, with experts blaming tax code issuing errors and complicated rules. Tax codes are issued by HMRC and are used by employers or pension providers to work out how much income tax to take from your pay or pension. So mistakes happen even with HMRC. It's not uncommon. People get overtaxed and overpay tax all the time, and it's usually because of these tax codes. Like they said, if you're changing jobs, if you start a new job, if you get additional income, there's loads of errors that can be made and mistakes down the line. But it's good to know that you can claim this back. If they haven't issued you a letter or a refund already, you're able to claim this back through their app, and we're going to have a look online. So I actually wanted to show you in real time me checking and looking if I'm due a refund on my app. But as you can see, the HMRC app doesn't actually work very well. So if you can't get it to work, you can use the website, but it's just not working for me. Every time I try and open it, it just goes on a loop and it just keeps on getting stuck. So I'm going to show you the example that they have online so we can walk through that one. Again, it's very simple. We're going to go on. So, okay, you can actually download it from the App Store or from the Google Play Store, but if you just want to make sure you're getting the right one, you can go on gov.uk and you can find it on there, and then they'll link you to the App Store. If you just want to make sure you're getting the authentic thing, then you can do that. But let's go on HMRC's video. So how do I use the HMRC app to claim a tax refund? I'm not going to play the audio. I don't think there's actually any talking through it. It's more just music, elevator music. So let's have a look. So yeah, you download the app, and now to get the app to work, actually, I'll tell you this, what I've tried to do. So you can use your government gateway sign in. If you don't have that, you can sign up with your national insurance number. So you need your national insurance number basically to sign up. And then through that, you can get your UTR, unique taxpayer reference. If you haven't got that already, you're going to have to do this. They normally send you a letter with all your codes, so it might take a few weeks, but once you have that, you're good. So now we have the app, we're online, and you can see here there's a few options. PAYE, which is what you fall under if you're getting paid from a job, like a salary. If not, self-assessment. Let's take it back a bit. Let's rewind a bit. So it should tell you that HMRC owe you money. So it should say this in the app. And remember, this is for tax year 2023 to 2024. So it's a year past. It would have been April last year when that tax year finished. So it should show in your app. There's a few options. So you can add, if you got, say for example, if you had a job and it's missing on the app, if you start a new job, you can add it there. If you start a new pension scheme, you can add it there. And if you had additional income, you can add it on there as well, and this should sort out your tax refund. So that's it. There's not much to it after that. We can keep watching the video, but there's not much to it after that. You can claim your refund paid straight into your bank. Let's post a bit of an environment. I mean, sounds good if your app actually works, but if you can get it to work, great. If you can't, then you can actually go on the website. So everyone knows the HMRC website. We can scroll onto it now. So HMRC online services, sign in or set up an account. So yeah, you can sign into your HMRC services on the website, and it should tell you similar to the app. But again, if the app's not working, you can sign in online. And guys, that's it. Just a quick video. I'm not going to rant about HMRC. They actually owe me some money, but not through PAYE. Another story for another video. I didn't do my employee allowance for my national insurance right, and they owe me a few grand, but we'll get to that in another video. Claim that back and I'll take you through the process. But if you're enjoying the videos on this channel, I'm trying to post daily personal finance, money making content. As you can see, this is money saving content. If I've saved you some money from this video, drop a like, subscribe, follow me for more. I'm broke, baby.